Hi, I'm Melissa Cookston, and today I'm going to be cooking an herb-rubbed pork tenderloin crostini with goat cheese and a red pepper jelly. It's a wonderful appetizer that you can serve at your holiday party or just for your family. Now's the time to pause the video, read the ingredient list and recipe. Take a minute to get everything you need and then come back and follow step by step as we prepare this recipe. We're going to start by making our herb crust. I'm going to take some olive oil. I'm going to mix in my blend of herbs of oregano, rosemary, and thyme, salt and pepper. This is my Prairie Fresh tenderloin, and as you can see, I've removed any silver skin. Prairie Fresh is the best quality meat that you can buy. Literally, very little silver skin I had to remove, but the meat itself is just absolutely beautiful coloration. So I'm just gonna take my paste and rub it on the tenderloin. Isn't that beautiful? Smells so good. Making sure that I get an even coating. And it's ready for the grill. Okay, it's time to check our pork tenderloin. And it's 143 degrees, so it is perfect. So I've let my pork tenderloin rest for about 15 minutes. It smells so herbaceous, it smells so good. I just took a French baguette and toasted it in the oven. Got it nice and crispy to make the crostini. So now I'm going to take a piece of pork loin, put it on the crostini with a nice sliver of goat cheese, and I'm going to top that with some red pepper jelly. And I like to garnish this with a little bit of rosemary. But they taste so good. I love red pepper jelly. This is really making mealtime fun. That is so good.